We are going to check on the chickens on this night. It is right now 19 degrees. It's going to drop to at least 15 to 10 tonight. It's just a little checkup. So I had put the lamp on today. It's very, very cold. They are very, very fine. Look at this stalactite. Let's say hello. Let me relax. So I have 6 chickens, and next year I'm gonna add at least 5 more. I have some Easter. 2 of them land Easter eggs. They are green eggs. Hey girls. So let's see how cold it is here. It is 32 degrees. Not bad. This is perfect. This is what I want. It stays in the 30 and they enjoy that. That one is like so close to the lamp. Alright. Good night. That was just a quick video to check on my chickens on this very cool weather. And here Bentley is always on the guard. Always on the guard. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.